In this demonstration, we'll take a look at how we can use the monitor command to monitor packet headers within the Junos OS. So I've connected to my Juniper device here. I'm on the New York R1 router. And the first thing that I want to do is show you the monitor command. So I can do a monitor space question mark, and there's different elements of the device that we can monitor. We can monitor interface statistics if we wanted to. Also, we can monitor live traffic that's being delivered by the device. So that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the monitor traffic command to monitor traffic. So I'm going to hit enter just on that. And what we can see here is that the device is sending out an OSPF version 2 hello message, from the 11.0.0.1 as the source IP to the multicast address of 224.0.0.5. So we can see those going out at regular intervals there, and you get the time being displayed. A couple things I want you to notice is that with the monitor traffic command, the way that I typed it, notice that we do not see the layer 2 header information like the source and destination MAC addresses. Also notice that we don't see any kind of ASCII values or hex values in the actual packet themselves. We're just seeing kind of basic header information, which is great. So if you just want to kind of monitor the traffic, you can use this monitor traffic command. But I'm going to Control C that to stop that. The other thing that we may want to do is we may want to add the layer 2 header parameter to the monitor traffic, which adds in the source and destination MAC addresses with each of the packets that the monitor command picks up on. So notice here that we have our source MAC address, we have our destination MAC, and then we still have the source IP and destination IP. And then you also have the detail, as far as kind of what the packet is, so the OSPF hello message. Now, very useful on top of that, and I'll join this with my layer 2 header, is I can also print out the ASCII value and print out the hex data that's inside the packet. So if you've used products like Microsoft's Network Monitor before, or you've used Wireshark, you're familiar with when you're looking at the packet capture, you've got the header information, but then also you'll have the ASCII text over here on the right side and the hexadecimal data on the left side. So if I want to see that information on my Juniper device as the packets are being delivered, I can do that as well. So that's very useful. Now the last monitor traffic command that I want to show you is I can also use the detail parameter. So monitor traffic detail, and I'll get more detailed information about the packet itself. So I can see the source and destination IP address. I can see the OSPF version 2. It's a hello message. I can see the router ID of the OS. So a little bit more information about the OSPF message itself in this case. So that's very useful. Now, in my case, I'm seeing all OSPF traffic because that's all that's kind of running right now in the background. But you can see how I can pick up on a little bit more detailed information about the packet itself. So in this demonstration, we saw how to monitor packet headers on a Juniper device.